He's family. Dad. Oh my goodness.
Just leave him. Leave him.
I don't want him to get.
Leave him, Connie.
Family.
Say hi, Chappy.
Imagine if Chappy just full on tackled him. Just pounced.
Hello, Chappy.
I want to be your friend.
So the Chappy, hey, Chappy knows it's a baby.
Me.
Chappy, no scratching. No scratching. That's the only thing. No scratching.
Crawl, Papa.
Crawl.
Crawly crawl.
No.
Crawly crawl.
No.
Go play. Go play with
I know shots
Chappy.
where I wear my school shorts.
How old is Chappy?
It's not even one.
Was he a kid in last year?
Yeah.
Small?
From mum's job.
Move, Connie Lee. You're on the shot, Connie Lee. Move.
I think he wants to go outside. He just finished eating.
How does he get out?
Open the door.
How do you open the door?
I was like, is he another week?
Here you go, Chappy.
I just remember that window because all the cats used to.
Nah,
No, you good?
he ripped all of the nets.
No, I remember when Papa was here. That was the only window open, so all the cats.
Here you go, Chappy.
Wait. Family. Hello.
Bye, Tati. Tata, Chappy.
He's still deciding.
He's like, should I be friends with the cat? Or
I'm
should I-
sitting there. I need to.
He's like,
Connie.